Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many Apple users have encountered. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you have two Firefox icons in your app switcher? It's a real nuisance, right? This redundancy can really slow you down when switching between apps, and it's enough to drive anyone crazy. But fear not, we're here to help you solve this annoying problem once and for all. Here comes the solution to the problem we just discussed. It seems that the extra Firefox icon is actually a handoff feature, designed to allow you to open an application on another nearby device. If you're not a fan of this feature, you can easily disable it by navigating to your system settings and searching for handoff. Just a few clicks, and that pesky duplicate icon will be gone for good. Problem solved. In summary, if you're tired of seeing that extra Firefox icon in your app switcher, just disable the handoff feature in your system settings. It's a quick and easy fix that will save you from the frustration of dealing with duplicate icons. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy browsing.